Welcome friends, it's day 9. This means we're gonna be sitting in Zazen together for 9 minutes. So go right ahead and find yourself in a comfortable sitting posture of your choice. One that allows you to sit with the spine erect. And whether you're sitting in Seiza, which is sitting on the heels, cross-legged or even on a chair, use a cushion to sit as high as needed to keep the knees below the hips. And this allows you to tilt the pelvis forward easily and maintain the natural bend in the lower spine. Then lift your sternum slightly and tuck in the chin. Try to relax everything else, including the shoulders and all the muscles in your face. Then let your hands rest in your lap, or if you want, bring them into a Zen Mudra by placing one hand just below the navel, palm facing up, and the other one on top of it. And let the thumbs touch gently. Soften your gaze downwards. Keep the eyes slightly open. And start with the abdominal breathing. So your lower abdomen expands as you inhale and contracts on your exhale. In and out through the nose. Today we're going to be counting the breath on every exhalation from 1 to 10. So before we begin, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Inhale, exhale, count 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Inhale, exhale 7. Inhale, exhale 8. Inhale, exhale 9. Inhale, exhale 10. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Inhale, exhale 7. Inhale, exhale 8. Inhale, Exhale, 9. Inhale. Exhale, 10. Now continue counting by yourself. And if you get lost in thoughts and lose the count, simply return to 1. I'll mind the time and let you know when to release and relax. and gently bring your attention back to the body. On your next inhale, take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Relax the posture. And when you're ready, blink the eyes open and become aware of your surroundings. Take your time before you get up. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I will see you all tomorrow. So take good care for now and have a wonderful day.